Welcome to Money Mystery Ideas. Today we're diving into the step-by-step process of transferring USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance. If you're new to this, don't worry, we'll make it super simple. Step 1. Understanding the process. Before we start, here's what we'll do. Access your OKX wallet using your seed phrase. 2. Export the USDT to Binance. Confirm the transfer and verify it on the blockchain. Step 2. Access your OKX wallet with the seed phrase. To begin, open a trusted wallet app that supports OKX, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Enter your 12-word seed phrase exactly as it is. Alarm fetch, churn bridge, exercise tape speak, race clerk, couch crater letter. Ensure you're doing this on a secure device. Remember, never share your seed phrase publicly or use it on untrusted devices. It gives full access to your funds. Step 3. Locate your USDT. Once you're logged in, navigate to your assets and find your USDT balance. Confirm the amount available for transfer. Step 4. Retrieve your Binance deposit address. Next, open the Binance app. Go to your wallet, select deposit and choose USDT. Make sure to select the correct network, commonly ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Selecting the wrong network may result in lost funds. Step 5. Initiate the transfer now. Return to your OKX wallet. Click on Send, enter your Binance deposit address, and choose the amount of USDT to transfer. Double-check the network type to match Binance's selection. Step 6. Confirm and verify the transaction. After confirming the details, complete the transaction. Once submitted, you'll see a transaction ID. Use a blockchain explorer, like Etherscan for ERC20, to track your transfer. Remember, transfers can take a few minutes to process. Step 7. Verify on Binance. Finally, go back to Binance and refresh your wallet. Your USDT should appear shortly. If there's any delay, check the transaction status on the blockchain explorer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from OKX to Binance. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Mystery Ideas, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Happy trading!